Hi, I'm Dorothy, the owner and founder of Flower Budgets. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we help you bloom financially. Today's video is all about learning how to adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. Flexibility is crucial to overcoming obstacles and staying on the path to success. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more budgeting tips and financial advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's go over the importance of budget flexibility. Life is full of surprises, and your financial situation can change in the blink of an eye. Whether it's a job change, a new family member, or unexpected expenses, knowing how to adjust your budget is vital. Here's why flexibility is important. Adapting to change. Being able to shift your budget allows you to respond effectively to life's ups and downs. Avoiding debt. By adjusting your budget, you can prevent falling into debt when unforeseen expenses arise. Achieving goals. Flexibility helps you stay focused on your financial goals, even when circumstances change. Now let's go over steps to adjust your budget. Step 1. Review your current budget. Start by taking a close look at your current budget. Identify areas where you can make changes or cut back. Step 2. Identify priorities. Determine what is essential and what can be reduced or eliminated. Focus on necessities first, such as housing, food, and utilities. Cover your 4 walls. Step 3. Reassess your goals. Your financial goals should align with your current situation. If your circumstances have changed, adjust your goals to reflect your new reality. Step 4. Adjust expenses. Look at your discretionary spending. Can you cut back on dining out or entertainment? Every little bit helps. Step 5. Increase your income. Consider ways to boost your income. This could be through a side hustle, freelance work, or even selling items you no longer need. Step 6. Monitor and revise. Keep an eye on your new budget to see how well it's working. Be prepared to make further adjustments if necessary. Now let's go over tips for successful budget adjustments. For one, stay positive. Change can be challenging, but a positive attitude helps you stay motivated. Communicate. If you share finances with someone, ensure you're both on the same page regarding changes. And lastly, seek help. Don't hesitate to reach out to a financial coach or advisor if you need guidance. Remember, adjusting your budget is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires attention and care. Flexibility is key to navigating life's financial challenges and achieving your goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Flower Budgets for more financial growth tips. Stay financially blooming, everyone.